Today I'm going to show you how to install Atelier by Pearlywinks craft supplies. Please stay tuned and you'll get loads of interesting information. First you need to go to www.pearlywinks.com and then scroll to Atelier by Pearlywinks, add that to your cart. Once that is in your cart, you just need to go to checkout. Once that is in your checkout, you just need to complete your information there. I've just blurred my phone number on that, but as you can see, just all your information is put into that. This will then generate a thank you email. Just click on that download button there. That will then start downloading that to your PC. Can sometimes take a little while, but don't worry, it's definitely downloading. Then you just need to go to your files or your downloads, double click on the file. Don't jump straight in like I tried to do there. You just need to go to the readme first. Open that with your PDF reader and that'll give you all the information on there. At the bottom there's also a support email address if you do require any support while using Atelier. Now double click on the application file. This will open up the application. You can choose to do it for yourself or everyone who uses your PC. It's just installing that now for you. This shouldn't take too long, and then you can just tick that box to run, and then there you go, press finish and it will open that for you. You've successfully installed Atelier by Pearlywinks and you shall now be able to have loads of fun. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, click the little bell to get notifications every time we do a new video. Thank you.